Hi there and welcome. This is the dashboard of the Chat Robot application, and in this video I'm just going to give you a simple walkthrough of how to get started and up and running and to start your first bot that you want to do or any other services that we provide. You'll see when you first log in you come up with a dashboard. This is where all your stats are and so forth. It's kind of like your home page. You can see on the nav bar you can select which language you want. You can also see all your imported accounts that are here, and you can switch between accounts. Notifications of anything that's any bug fixes or new features will be listed in there. You see that you can log out and change your password here. If you click on your account right here on the left hand side, you can go there and you can put your own avatar in there and email address and so forth. Okay, and go back to the dashboard. You see on the left hand side is the menu system. You got the activity center. Step 1, import your account. Step 2, import your leads. Step 3, create your bot. It's that simple, and I'm going to bring you through this. But you'll see here as you scroll down, you'll see all the other tools. These are your lead magnet tools. This is how you get subscribers. You can put them on your websites and pass them out, so forth. Your checkbox plugins, send a messenger code, me links, messenger codes, and your customer chat plugin for business accounts on your websites. You got your messenger broadcaster. For quick broadcast, just in a matter of seconds, you can send out to 10,000, 20,000 subscribers. Create labels to target and segment your list. This is the bulk page. This is you can send out a bulk messages to multi-pages at the same time. This does them. It's a little bit slower, but you can send promotional messages here. This is mainly for non-promotional up here, but there's a little trick that I can tell you about later how to get around that. This is for drip messaging. You can set up to 30 days in advance a message per day. You can set the time and so forth. This is for the auto comment reply. It also has the messenger add JSON script right here, and you can set up templates as well. Just quickly select your auto comment replies. This is the page response reply. This is where you want to set up a comment reply for the entire page. This is on a post by post level. This is for the page level, so it'll have the same comment reply for all the posts on that account. Very, very, very neat. It also, just let me add, also will auto like and auto share it as well. So it'll make a comment, it'll like it and share it. This is the comment tag machine. This is really, really cool. I'm not going to get into that, but this is really ninja. Whereas you can do an auto comment reply and tag all the previous commenters so they get notifications. This is a page poster, so you can send, you can post comment to your pages, make a post. You can do a carousel, a slider post, call to action posts, videos, links, images, what have you. It's also multi-page as well. This is for auto commenting, so you can set up auto comments on your pages. This is a social combo poster where you can send images or make posts to a number of different accounts. There's 10 different social media sites, everything from Reddit to, just let me show you what it is here. Tumblr, Medium, Blogger, Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and WordPress. So there's 9 of them. And so that's how that is right there. So it'll post content to all those sites. Really, really cool if you have that feature. This is for RSS feed auto posting. So you can set up RSS feed, and every time you make a new post, let's say your WordPress blog, whatever, it'll auto post it to WordPress, or excuse me, to Facebook. This is live streaming, and it'll do scheduling for live streaming, and you can use old videos to make it look like a live stream. It also does Instagram auto reply, auto comments on your Instagram accounts. That's a new feature. And then also has an inbox manager, so you can look at your messages on your Facebook pages and you can respond right inside the software here. You also got documentation, you got my help desk, and your usage, and if your payment schedule. All right, so let's get started. First, go to step 1, import account. And all you need to do is log in with Facebook and make it public, by the way. Continue. This is a demo account here, and select all your pages. And make it public. Okay, and done. And I only have one page on this, by the way, so it has one page. This is my demo page. So you see that the pages, all your pages will come up here, and all your groups will come down here. and you can remove it. You can unlink this account. So that's step one. Step two, import your leads. Now I only have a couple leads on here, and you can see that how do you do that? You click on Scan Page Inbox. All leads. All right. If you have a lot of leads, you can segment them. Start scanning. All right. So 2 leads have been picked up, and you can see the lead list here. All right. Now, if you have a if you've used ManyChat or Chatfuel, one of those programs before, you can migrate all your leads to the Messenger bot by simply clicking on this button right there. All right, so that's step 2. Step 3, you go to create Messenger bots, and this is another import, okay? Because these are different APIs. Go to import account, log in with Facebook, hit next, and we're done. All right, so now the bot is linked up to my page here. There's a couple other import accounts that you want to do, by the way, because different APIs. One is the page response. There's an import account, and there's another API, which is the Facebook streaming import account, and the Instagram has a import account. Okay, but we're all ready and set to go to create our first bot. So let's just do that real quick. Click on Enable Bot. So where are we at here? We are at the import account and enable bot. Click OK. And so it is enabled. And anytime you want to refresh the token, say for example you add more pages, whatever, all you need to do is just click on here and refresh the token. So now it's all set up. So it is enabled, and all you need to do is click on bot settings right here. All right, so this is the window, the main dashboard of the bot settings, and you can do a lot of things. And I'm just going to do this really quick just to show you what I do. You can export and import templates, by the way, bot templates, other pages, really cool. Look at all your subscribers, see the tree view of your bot. You can get the contact and locations of people that visit your bot, but if they give you their email address. So this is what I do here. I create the typing, so it looks like you're typing, and I'll enable that, and I'll set it to 3 seconds. It'll change color. I'm just going to close that up. I'm going to change it to 3 seconds. And that's changed to 3 seconds. I'm going to enable it mark seen. So it looks like I read their message when they send a message to me. I'm going to, this is where you can create a persistent menu. So I'm going to create one really quick. And it says, oops, to create a persistent menu, you must first enable the Get Started button. All right, so I'm going to go back. And I'm going to click on the Get Started settings. Enable, and hi, you can do the first name here. Welcome to my bot. Click on the Get Started button below to find out more info. All right, that's saved. So the Get Started button is activated. You see down below. All right. So that's activated. Now I can go and create a Get Persistent menu, and I'll just show you how this works. Create a persistent menu, and this is going to be a default. Okay, but you can do different languages. This is if you want to turn off the input of people, I would leave this off on no. And so this is going to be, for example, the menu title has different levels, and I'm going to put, for example, support. Okay, and it's going to be a web URL, and I'm going to put my support page, and I can do another one, and I can do a let's see here. What else do I want to do? Get started now. And you can do a nested one, so you can have 2 levels. You can see that's level. This is level 1, but it also has 3 levels deep. Okay, and you can go 3 levels deep, and it's really cool. You see that? Level 3. So now it's 3 levels deep, and you can go 5 wide. It's really cool. So I will just remove that. So let's continue on here. So that's support. So I'm going to click on another one. I'm just going to do level 1. Get started now. And it's going to be a web URL. You can do postbacks or web URL. Okay. Right there. And there we go. There you go. Get started now. Okay. And from there, I'm going to click on submit. Now, after you click on submit, you first have to finalize it. You have to click on publish. Very important. Publish persistent menu, or else it won't show up. Okay. You got to publish it. There. So persistent menu is published, and it brings it back to this. All right. So now also you can decide if you want to do the human chat settings. You can click on there. And you can even send a notification email. So anytime somebody wants to talk with a human being, it'll send you an email. Really cool. And you can look at the settings for that right here. You can change the settings. Okay. So we'll look at that later. You can look at your error log. So let's create the bot right now, real quick. Bot settings. All right. So there's no bot settings found. Let's click on Add Bot. And here is where you can add all your bots from text, send text, images, audios, videos, files. These are your quick replies. These are your templates, text with buttons, generic template, carousel, lists, and immediate template. And you can add multiple messages in sequence without up to 3 of them at once. So let's do the get started. Okay, so this is the welcome. I'm just going to show you real fast how it is. Okay, so it's going to be a welcome, and I'm going to put a image first. All right, so this is my downloads here. I'm going to take this file here, and I'm just going to drag it right there. It's a GIF. Okay, and you can see it's a little happy dance there. So that's their first message is an image, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to go add another one. So I'm going to do a text. And it's going to say, hey, first name, welcome to my bot. Let's get started. All right. And so from here, you can add another one. You can do up to 3 at one time. And here I'm going to do I don't know, it's going to be a text with buttons, okay? So what do you want to do? Get support. And you can do here you can do a postback, web URL, call us, unsubscribe, chat with a human, all kinds of stuff, okay? So I'm going to make it real simple, and it's going to be and add another button, get support, get chat robot. And it's going to be another web URL. All right, so now I'm going to submit. Okay, and we are done here. And so now if I go back to the bot settings, and I can see the tree view. It's going to be real simple. Okay, and there it is right there. Okay, and I can click here and go directly to the where we set that up at. Okay, those are clickable. Okay, so now let's go to the page, and there is a page here. I have one page. There's my product page, and let's test this. So let's just send a test button there. And let's just delete this conversation because so it looks like a new user. Okay, so here's the test button. All right, so there's the Get Started button, and I'm going to click on Get Started. And let's just see how this, you can see it's typing. Here's Happy. Hi, welcome to my bot. Let's get started. You want get support, and you can see here that there's the buttons, and you can see here's the persistent menu. See, there's a persistent menu that we set up, and it's on mobile as well. And so that's how easy it is to get started. And once you're done there, you can create more bots and do all kinds of stuff. So that's how to get started. Real simple. Thank you.